Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka. Inna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kalo sedi etie.
Dabi akacho se beka sedi esimi etie yemfa bi ka oye yibi so emfa emfrimu. Medin de akwesi insia Asem Yi Di Ka bre ena edrusui. Alapa ye toa eye Galamsey ensesem no esuanura me ma figures bi. Yeah, me de kire wo sane mining small scale mining licenses eko edify ye ewo ye man emu. Na but uko manfa minerals commission for repository website and komodia ya ewon ensunie. Ba uko mu a that information no contrary to enu an ye ban. Ba quick ye kwa ma so na me ne the chief executive officer Emma Minerals Commission. Owura Martin Kwakwa isi ekodi enkobo. Akwati ya kai mo cha na pai eba Asem Yi Di Ka so.
Me Josu na ti sai.
Boko na so we.
Yeah.
Ya ya mi ase. Akwa enura ye de ye nya information ye report ye say as of 2024 30th September na small scale mining licenses ya ma no man mu 1014 as against 1402 yeah they might between 2012 and 2016 by your court minerals commission repository website mwaka saba post here the figures no different ejemu ni say.
Oh, I me that. I mean, the person will be telling me at Asem, and now I'm spending almost 5 hours. Parliamentary committee on assurance. Asem way here, and I'm church him. Netian say, what's a website now? License never go on in it be a small scale, it be a large scale, it be a prospecting. Same question I will be me. Honorable could to be some no the chair of the committee. And all mammy figure so the American and the immediate journal anyway and yet the same thing. He even went ahead and all mentioned company bidding and I'm can say that is where the problem is. Or I say Imala. I want to say no. Who anything PL it is prospecting. Who MLA is mining. Insulator crown or boy about so. We are perhaps one of the few public institutions that get a lot of data through your website. In Abia, Badwam, Abia, may separate small scale, or large scale, and prospecting, so that there will not be any confusion. Accuracy data now made it to Jano. 2012 license on Mumma 1032 where small into the almost the Ninian Afra, almost the prospecting, large scale. That's why they are having their own problem.
Okay.
2012 license my new one. 332. 2013 283. 2014 105. 2015 321. 2016 361. 2017 7. Besides then 7 because that time no number Easter March on. The whole of 2018 Yama license be because that time now nobody could do small scale lawfully. Okay. And now 2019, after the lifting of the ban 103, 2026, 21, 2021, 11, 2022, 148, 2023, 38, 2024, 93. You see, this is just in every year from 2012 to 2024, no, as at September 30th, no, license now. Issue as new licenses. You understand that?
Yeah.
But for a website, you find a renewal. So, for example, offer data now, make kinds of now. You see the number is ABR 2020. So, you see, 2021 was issued in 2020. That means that whole year, new license now, MI, AST 21. Renewal count.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, the data we have on our website, it keeps changing every day. Obi on renew, Obi a new application, etc. So there's nothing wrong with the data.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong. We can't lie. There's nothing wrong. And now me taking me time. I mean, explaining my Mr. Kujetuni, Honorable Kujetuni committee member. The same thing came out. I told them, well, almost sir, license in a website in the boom. Inti, the enemy the pound grand there, Onukra Bobaku BD, Onu Kitabe, is it 1,000 BB, and I may missing 9 BB. Then he mentioned it.
Ash. The best hat Rania Ora Martin, Kokwaisi, Ewa Almanaso ABM, on the Chief Executive Officer, Edema Minerals Commission. And Komoya Yedina Efa Enra data. Yeah, they buy. So the repository document in the wasem no a report what Minerals Commission for website. And penny HH them say because things keep changing. Honum na amanfo ehwe ne funtu ni nyina e de afra amana kwakwa ese ni nyina air for small scale mine but you still raise ora kwakwa isi wa amanso na watoa enchiremu na ode mn so ni nya atimi ate ho ase so ka say no a oko parliament the house of records the assurance committee enim no honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa raise the same questions ya no peye bisa enso honum ema ojibre echechemu ye eti chief akwa ba chief
I lost you there as I said.
Yeah.
Let me repeat. And the same thing was raised by the assurance committee.
Okay.
So I didn't know new license. I mean, so me or the BSA new licenses. And then on my figure and me so me catch on say no, this is what our data is showing. And then the good thing about what happened yesterday at the parliamentary committee was that or particularly on my examples of some of the companies. In the one I'm quoting say no, they all born and your mind and your small scale license.
Okay.
Prospecting. It is all who the ninja boom. Now who see your man license here. You get the confusion. The focus was on small scale.
Okay.
And what I'm going to do is that I'll go back to our website, make a change the IT form, and separate small scale from large scale. If it's large scale, we'll break it up to prospecting and then mine. Interquity problem behind you.
But
it's now media to journal.
Okay.
We have the data, as far as mine is concerned. Okay. I can't lie to anybody.
But
and I'm a man, right? Yesterday, I corrected it and I was very happy. Okay. Okay, so what I saw you discussing was purely small scale. And the licenses that were issued, new licenses every year from 2012 to 2024 at a certain center. And I made it too. And I think I saw you also trying to explain because you got the data from us. It's a problem behind your confusion behind you.
But I say, Ora Martin, you see, the Chief Executive Officer at the Minerals Commission. Eti afe wa club biya free honum. Enchremuno aba. So the can even the House of Records okokaye ewo ho. Ama empenfo ato ho ase. But they are requesting say yen chichem send be obi call website one more or fast small scale yen ko we chire ma menya large scale and a prospecting license MFRA small scale for there. Yen chemu say we your license are yama ni. So the information na nnu am to dwa so no you can say so aka no. E information ni ya chichem. Ti chichem no e beka se so ne so no. Ni chichem kosi ye no e na nnu a ye de